If you're seeing the launch failed error in Epic Games Launcher with the LS-0013 code, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually means the launcher is having trouble starting the game, but in most cases it can be resolved without reinstalling everything. We'll start with the easiest fix, then move on to verifying your game files, clearing the launcher cache, and if needed, reinstalling the game. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, completely close the Epic Games Launcher. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully exited. You can do this from the system tray as well if it's still running in the background. Once it's closed, reopen the launcher and try starting the game again. Sometimes LS-0013 happens because the launcher simply needs a fresh restart after a temporary glitch. If the error is still there, the next thing you want to do is verify your game files. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find the game that's giving you the error, and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, choose Verify. This tells Epic to scan the installed files and compare them against the original version. If any files are missing or corrupted, the launcher will replace them automatically. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. A lot of LS-0013 errors are fixed right here, because broken or incomplete files are one of the most common causes. If verifying the files doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. This is another very effective fix, because cached launcher data can become corrupted and cause launch issues. To do this, close the launcher again, then open File Explorer. In the address bar, type %localappdata%, then press Enter. Look for the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open it, then open Saved, and inside that folder you should find Webcache. Delete the Webcache folder. If you see more than one Webcache folder, remove those as well. Don't worry, the launcher will rebuild this cache automatically the next time you open it. After deleting the cache, restart your computer if possible, then open Epic Games Launcher again and try launching the game. If the error still appears after that, the last step is to reinstall the game. This may take longer, but it can fix deeper installation problems that verification can't repair. To do this, uninstall the affected game from your library, then download and install it again from Epic Games Launcher. Make sure you have enough free disk space and a stable internet connection before reinstalling. Once the installation is complete, launch the game and check if the LS-0013 error is gone. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem: restarting the launcher, verifying your game files, or clearing the Webcache folder. And if nothing works, reinstalling the game is usually the final step that gets things running again. If this video helped you fix the Epic Games Launcher LS-0013 error, please leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss more gaming tutorials and Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.